won't see one of Alex's installs on one of those famous Facebook groups where you see batteries and they're leaning on like 2 bricks or a pile of sand or crazy stuff like that. And you know, the conduit is everywhere, all really messy.
We don't want to see any conduit, okay? So that it will take us longer. Installation for us will take probably 1 day. So we don't do 2 batteries per day, we do 1 day.
Okay.
But in return, when the customer looks at this every day, he's going to think about us, okay? And he's going to compare to his friends. That's the difference by just looking at it and with us having to say nothing at all.
Yeah, excellent. So you're more likely to see a solid solar services battery getting kudos on the internet for really tidy install. Basically, you can't see any wiring at all until you look right at the back. Alex, you've installed this really tidy, one of the most tidy battery installs I've ever seen. Fox ESS CQ6 system with a 3-phase 15 kilowatt inverter. And how big is this stack? It's huge.
This is the Fox CQ6 L8, which is a 48 kilowatt hour battery system.
Okay, and each module is 5.99 kilowatt hours each?
Yep.
Cool. 100% depth of discharge, so you don't have some hidden buffer in there that you can't use. Every kilowatt hour is eligible for the federal government battery rebate, which is important because some brands, they say 8 or 10 kilowatt hour module, but only less part of that module is eligible for the actual rebate.
Please contribute. It really helps my independent, honest journalism for you.
Now this is interesting. If people have a 3-phase house, which is quite common for newer developments like this area, 3-phase is really good to get as a grid connection because it allows you to import and export a lot more energy than a single-phase household like myself in an older house. So how fast can this inverter fill the battery, Alex, if there's enough solar sun today?
It will take about 3.5 hours. You can fully charge the battery.
That is really great because say they had only a 5 kilowatt inverter, that would take almost 10 hours. That would take 3 times as long to fill.
That's correct.
Yeah. And it's not just about the filling time, it's how fast you can get the energy out because this is a multi-story residence, and that means they probably have ducted aircon, which means a heavier electricity load on the house. They probably have, you know, induction cooktops and lots of other electrical gadgets in the house. And that means having a 15 kilowatt inverter means you can pull energy out of the battery much faster as well and feed that ducted system, feed the oven, feed all the gadgets and Wi-Fi things in the house. Yeah, so without having to pull from the grid, which you might have to if you had a really small inverter. So Alex, how have you found these Fox CQ6, their newest and top model? How are they to install?
It's pretty easy to install for us now. We became very good at it, installing it.
Something good to see here, Alex, is all the required stickers and no extra irrelevant stickers, and all in one nice tidy place. And we've got 2 isolators here with grid input and EPS. So for people who aren't aware of what EPS means, could you explain us?
It's the annual changeover switch. Okay, so in case if there's something wrong with the inverter, with a flip of a switch, and then the house will have the backup to the essential load, the circuit that the client wants.
Okay, now would you suggest that's left on all the time, or it depends on what the owner wants? So what happens if this is Easter time, people might be going down the coast for a beach holiday for 2 weeks, what should they do then?
They should switch it on. So if they're planning to go away for a few days or a couple of weeks, just switch it on to make sure that it will work. Anything happens, they are protected.
Okay, and as an installer, I like that you only protected the essential circuits.
Yes.
Because I know my viewers and probably your customers as well, sometimes they say, we want the whole house. We want the ducted aircon, we want the oven, we want everything. And I have to try and explain to them, what if, we've had some big trucks drive past, Alex. What if one of them hits that power pole and takes out your power for 2 or 3 days? You want the key things in the house to work. If you have everything in the house backed up, even with as giant a battery as this, it might run out before Osgrid or Endeavour or Essential Energy fix that power pole.
That's correct. Yeah, essential load. So how many times a year do you have a blackout? You know what I'm saying? And then plus, look, it keeps the cost down and it's more affordable and it gives more value to the client. Just give them what they need. Yeah.
Okay. Do you install any other models or are you sort of standardizing on the CQ6?
We only do the CQ6.
Okay.
12 years warranty with fire suppressant as well. And we believe the value is better than the CQ6. Then that's what we recommend, yeah.
Okay. And I notice you've got bollards here, which is really good because that means if someone in the house is an L-plater or they're coming home late from, a long day at work, and if they come in and the car gets a little bit too close, the bollard is there to protect the battery with reflective as well for nighttime. Yeah, nice.
That's correct.
Okay, and what about this screen? Do you find the screen helps with people? Not everyone likes apps, Alex.
That's right.
Some people just want to be able to walk past and say, 100% charged, on grid, happy days.
That's correct. So like with the older generation, they just want to see numbers. Some of them are not good with the apps, the computer. And sometimes all you want to do, like exactly what you said to me, come out and just check, yep, it's working, and then just leave it as it is.
Yeah, cool. But if people do like the app, what's the Fox Cloud kind of apps like, both from your installer perspective for commissioning systems and getting them activated, and also from the customer point of view? Okay,
the app is getting better every day. And they are improving, okay, and we can see it. And then Fox support is very, very good on site with our commissioning as well. Generally for us, commissioning takes about probably 15 minutes, for us to commission a system. And if we have any issue, then Fox will come and then Fox will help us out and let us know what to do.
Okay, cool. And with the CQ6, are there different ways it can connect to the internet, like Wi-Fi, Ethernet?
Yes, you could do Wi-Fi is the main choice. If the Wi-Fi signal is not strong enough, then we'll hardwire it for them. Or we use the extender. Yeah.
Okay, Wi-Fi extender. Thanks for your time, Alex.
No worries.
Cheers.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.